ꯁ꯭ꯋꯤꯠꯖꯔꯂꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯖꯦꯅꯦꯚꯥꯗ ꯌꯨꯑꯦꯟꯗ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯁꯦꯞꯇꯦꯝꯕꯔ 13ꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯒ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯑꯣꯛꯇꯣꯕꯔ 16ꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯏꯇꯦꯗ ꯅꯦꯁꯟꯁ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯔꯥꯏꯠꯁ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜꯒꯤ 54ꯁꯨꯕ ꯁꯦꯁꯟꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯔꯥꯏꯠꯁ ꯗꯤꯐꯦꯟꯗꯔ ꯍꯩꯀ꯭ꯔꯨꯖꯝ ꯖꯣꯗꯥꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯇꯦꯝ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 10 ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯜ ꯗꯤꯕꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯟ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯁꯤꯁꯇꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯀꯦꯄꯥꯁꯤꯇꯤ ꯕꯤꯜꯗꯤꯡꯗ ꯋꯥ ꯉꯥꯡꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯀꯟꯐꯔꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯊꯥꯡꯗ ꯄꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯣꯜꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯔꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯤꯅ ꯄꯟꯈꯤꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯀꯨꯀꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯌꯦꯜꯍꯧꯃꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ, ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒ ꯅꯥꯒꯥꯒꯗꯤ ꯌꯦꯜꯍꯧꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯖꯣꯗꯥꯅ UNHRCꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯠꯀꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯆꯤꯡꯁꯤꯜꯂꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤ ꯀꯨꯀꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ 19ꯁꯨꯕ ꯆꯍꯤꯆꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯏ ꯊꯪꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ꯫ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯦ 3ꯗꯒꯤ ꯕꯔꯃꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯂꯨꯆꯤꯡꯕ M16 LMG ꯍꯥꯏ ꯔꯦꯟꯖ ꯁ꯭ꯅꯥꯏꯄꯔ ꯇ꯭ꯋꯤꯟ ꯃꯣꯔꯇꯥꯔ ꯔꯣꯀꯦꯠ ꯂꯣꯟꯆꯔꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯨ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯏꯕ ꯂꯣꯅ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯃꯤꯂꯤꯇꯦꯟꯠ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯌꯨꯝꯃꯩ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯂꯤ꯫ ꯌꯦꯜꯍꯧꯃꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯍꯥꯠꯄꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯄꯔꯤꯡ ꯅꯥꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯛꯂꯤ꯫ ꯆꯥꯗ 40 ꯔꯣꯝꯅ ꯌꯦꯜꯍꯧꯃꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ 60,000 ꯔꯣꯝ ꯃꯌꯨꯝ ꯃꯀꯩ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯟꯖꯦꯟꯅꯔꯦ꯫ ꯌꯨꯝ 4,000 ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯩ ꯊꯥꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ, 200 ꯔꯣꯝꯅ ꯁꯤꯔꯦ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯍꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯩ ꯊꯥꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯪ 450 ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯔꯦꯞ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ, ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯕꯤꯔꯦ, ꯃꯈꯨꯠ ꯁꯥꯡꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ, ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯃꯉꯛꯇ ꯊꯥꯡꯅ ꯂꯦꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯅꯥꯔꯀꯣ ꯇꯦꯔꯣꯔꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯌꯦꯜꯍꯧꯃꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯆꯤꯡꯈꯣꯡ ꯆꯤꯡꯌꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯐꯪꯅ ꯇꯦꯝꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯔꯣꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯧꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯖꯣꯗꯥꯅ UN ꯀꯟꯐꯔꯦꯟꯁꯀꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯆꯤꯡꯁꯤꯟꯈꯤ꯫ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯤꯟꯗꯨ ꯃꯦꯖꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯇꯤꯌꯟ ꯃꯥꯏꯅꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞꯇ ꯌꯨꯝꯐꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯂꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯥꯒꯥ ꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯇꯤꯌꯟ ꯃꯥꯏꯅꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞꯅ ꯀꯨꯀꯤꯗ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯂꯝꯒꯅꯤ, ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯡꯗꯦ꯫ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯤꯕ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯂꯂꯣꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯂꯣꯠꯁꯤꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯖꯤꯌꯁ ꯃꯥꯏꯅꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡꯗ ꯚꯤꯛꯇꯤꯝ ꯀꯥꯔꯗ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯑꯔꯥꯟꯕ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯀꯌా ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤ꯫
The present balance is based on the war on drug government campaign has destroyed mass poppy plantation, illegal encroachment in forest areas, and pre-planned to form the unification of the 𝐶𝐞𝐬𝐢 greater homeland and demanded a separate administration for free drug business and poppy plantations, where 80% of the Kuki inhabited areas of Manipur practiced poppy cultivations, where they generate an revenue of $50 billion. This presence currently contribute to the Manipur peace and security, human rights, and development by making the world safer from the drug and terrorism. And please extend its humanitarian relief material by services to all the victims of the present balance for the reconstruction of their shelter.